Switchblades, Xanax, getting fucked up, yeah. AA, AK to your face. You ain't okay, my nigga. AA, Switchblades, Xanax, getting fucked up, yeah. I was a loner, always, no love for me. AA, the only thing that would make the pain go away was my drugs. AA, no love ever for me, no sucks on my motherfucking PP. That's okay now, cause I hate myself. The fact being alive doesn't make me feel alright. I just wanna motherfucking die. But listen, the only reason is because I have nobody to lean on to love me. I don't have a friend or a motherfucking girlfriend. This nigga that I know tried to beat my ass though, so I keep my switchblade and murder the ugly nigga. Yeah, hey, I know. I just got out of the asylum and that's okay. I got out of the asylum. Hey, I just got out of the asylum. Hey, I just got out of the asylum. That's okay. I'm now ready to kill somebody. Yeah, you know I'm crazy. Hey, yeah. Hey, I just got out of the asylum. Hey, I'm now ready to kill somebody. Hey. Switchblades, Xanax, getting fucked up, yeah. AK to your face. You ain't okay, my nigga. AA, Switchblades, Xanax, getting fucked up, yeah. Deadass, I killed this trap, didn't I?